Welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how you can clean your Fellow Ode Gen 2 coffee grinder. So that one here. I got mine a few months ago. You can also find an unboxing on my channel if you're interested in that as well. But yeah, today I want to show you how you can open it up, how you access the burrs, and the best way to clean it. So let's have a look together. Okay, what I would recommend is having a paper towel here in front of the grinder where you can put everything, and the other tools you will see anyway now. So first things first, remove the front plate. It's magnetic, so you can just easily remove it, put it here. And now you have 4 screws that are interesting for us to open it. It's this, and this one. Oh, and also put that one all the way to 0 or to 1, so you actually remember, where it was. So in this case, I'm using that one here that can actually reach all the way. And now let's remove those 4 screws first. It's quite easy. Just open it up. And here we go. And as you can see, the outer part here, that you can already give a nice brush. Now here for the inner part, remove, so you pull this one in, and then remove this plate here. Also just tilt it like this, and then it's actually easier. And here you go. As you can see, you have now already this part. So you can use an old toothbrush like I do here, and for the inner parts here where the screws are, it's usually harder to get into, so you can use a toothpick for that. And that's basically, you can do the same thing here on the inner part. So here, just use a toothpick. Can also go a little bit closer to show you this in more detail. Again here, use the toothpick. Here for the inner part, something else, which I'll show you in a bit. For the rest, just use the brush that came with the Ode, which is this black one here. And here down there, the chute is usually where the most stuff is anyway, or the most coffee grounds. To reach in here, it's usually quite hard. There's a spring that you can remove, so you can get in with the brush better. But as you can see, that doesn't necessarily help. So if you're into photography, you can use this one here and just do that. Same down here. Actually works really well. And here we go. Remember to put the spring back in. And I'm gonna be lazy now, not show you the whole thing. But let's just assume everything is already nice and clean. And now you put it back here. And what you would do now is align it like this. So you can put that one back in. And now you put this back in. Oh, maybe first let's at least get rid of those grounds here as well. And now you put this back, and as you see, there's only one way. This has to be aligned to put this back. And what you would do now is just screw those 4 back into position, which I'm not going to show you now because you already know how to do that anyway. Okay, my grinder is now finally clean again, but I hope it helped you as well to clean your Fellow Ode. By the way, big shout out to Tom Waterfall and his really long video where he also cleans his Fellow Ode too. Without his insights, mine would have not been that nice and quickly possible. So I will link it in the description below if you want to have a look at that one as well. And if you have any other questions regarding the Fellow Ode Gen 2, I will definitely make a long-term review after I used it even more. I feel there's still a lot to explore for me. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any comments. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time.